Hello traders, so this is the fifth part in which we will show you the XAUSD performance based on our 20 in 1 trend indicator along with supply and demand indicator, which has given the tremendous output as you can see on the screen. 807 point gain. You can see in December itself 167 points. Here 167 in the January 70 because it was in a consolidation period, but in February and March gold was just going on a one side move. It was uptrend, so clearly it is visible as you can see 140 points gain in February 20 and 431 points gain in March 20. So we will actually see with the chart, with the help of the chart, where you can see that how this profit was gained using this our trend 20 in 1 trend indicator. So this is the February month. So here you can see this is the December month, this is January, and February 20, and this is March. So this is December 2019, this is January 20, this is February 20, and this is March 20. So now you can see the gain 167 in the first month, 167 points. So using this the profit was 160 using only 3 to 4 entries, 167 points gain, which you can verify here. In the January month it was 69, as it was in a consolidation period. You can check here, it was consolidating. Now if you can see, in February it gave a huge profit of 140 points. Why? Because this movement was there. 140 points of gain. And in the month of March 20, you can see tremendous profit, huge gain. You can see this profit and a sharp fall which was not missed by this indicator. You can see the entry here precisely at this price. You can check and verify, and this was the first and the second and the third gain. You can check here, the exit was made here. So in just 3 entries we made 431 points of gain. You can check here, 431 points gain. Just this is the first entry, this is the second entry, and this is the third entry. So in just 3 entries the profit was 431 points. So total overall profit is 800 points almost in gold. You can verify 800 points gain. So this was using our 20 in 1 indicator. If you want to use this indicator, feel free to ask us on our Telegram or our YouTube channel. We wish you a very happy trading day. Thank you for being with us. Thank you.